Yo, what's good traders? It's your boy Kelechuku. If you're new to my channel, I'm Kelechuku by name. Happy new month, my family, my subscribers. I'm glad to have you guys back. I'm glad. So right now, I really want to talk about how I get to trade gold. It's been a couple of months. I've not even been nearing that pair. I know people do fear gold so much more, right? I've not even been nearing that pair for some reasons best known to you. Not just that I can't actually trade it, but I just left the pair for a moment, right? I just been trading some currency pairs and some safe haven pairs like GBP JPY, GBP USD, and all of that. And I also traded US oil, right? But today you won't believe that gold did almost 500 and something pips. Gold is very crazy, so you won't want to miss this. So make sure you leave a like, subscribe if this video is something you want that you want. Because I will just be sharing what I did, how I get to even trade on gold. Because I saw a setup, I missed that at first. I saw this setup, I missed that at first. You see it on the screen. I get to backtest, you still see my backtest. Then you see the real thing I traded, the one I made profit on, or it's just little profit. I hope out on the trade because gold is crazy. I was tracing back, I left it to trace back again. I just have to hope out with like 100 and something quick, which later get back to my entry and drop hugely. Right? So if this video is something you love, like, don't forget to like and subscribe. So you get to learn from any mistake I make actually from this. Get to learn from it because we all learn from people's misfortunes, right? You won't always like to see danger or see something that is bad and you want to enter it. Just like how trading is. You can't see a trade right now that you will be on loss and you will have that money to say I want to have this loss, right? So anytime you trade or anytime you want to enter the market, the actually aim here is to make money, right? Though it's a risky game. As it's a risky game, we all still want to make money. That's why there is risk management in everything you do. Before you take trade, even before you even think of taking any setup, the first thing that should be coming to your mind is not even actually the profit. The main thing is, what am I to risk on this? What loss side should I use? Right? These are the things that should be coming up to your head. So you get to see how you will be trading in your pairs, trading with clarity. Because nothing pass like you trade and you're trading with peace. You trade with how can I just put it? Your emotions are in check because you know what you're actually risking, right? So this is a game of probability. So anything you do, get to know the particular risk you are using on any pair, be it gold, be it BTC, be anyone. So far, forex market is concerned, no one is right. There is no I've studied, so I can get it right every now and then. Anybody can fuck up anytime. So just make sure you stick to, right? I'll just be sharing what I